Sairam, dear children. Today I am teaching Save Water Class 3 EVS Part 1 Chapter 13. So let us have the introduction. So our earth is made up of land and water. As you all know, our land or our earth is made up of land and also water like lake, sea, all these things, ocean. Okay. So land covers only 30% of the earth while water covers 70%. Okay. So here you can see 70% of blue water and the area land is only 30%. This is the earth, you can imagine. Okay. So in this, out of this 70%, only 1% of water is fresh and it is available to us for use. Okay. So rest is either trapped in glaciers or present in oceans and seas as salty water. Will not use salty water to drink, to bath or whatever it is. Will use only the clean water. Glaciers means like snowfall, like that. Okay. So we should take some effective steps to save water. What happens now? So even after such scarcity like 1% of water, people are continuously wasting and polluting it. So there are many countries in the world that have started facing shortage of water. India will be one of them in a few years if we keep on wasting water like this. So to prevent ourselves as well as our country from facing such scarcity of water, we should take some effective steps to save water. So how can we take it? We can save water by reusing it whenever possible. Some of the steps to reuse water are kitchen. As you can see, there is a hand wash basin here. So what happened? Now that pipe is connected to plants to water the plants. So like this, water from kitchen or bathroom can be used to water the plants. See? So, and also always take bath with a bucket and mug rather than the shower bath. A lot of water is wasted when we use a shower. Okay. So, see, do not throw water on walls, floors, etc. while taking bath. It causes wastage of water. And also always keep the tap closed while brushing your teeth and open it only when you need. See, you should close it. Okay. So food should be cooked in covered pans. See, it should be covered like this, otherwise there also the water is steamed in the uncovered pans. If you not cover, it may also take lot of water. Okay. So and also next, we should avoid the overflow of water tanks. Okay, sometimes our water storage tanks also overflow. A lot of water goes waste in this way. So the wall of water tanks should be closed automatically when the tank is filled. Okay. The leakage of water pipes should be tested by plumbers from time to time. Water pipes leakage also leads to wastage of water. Sometimes also flushing tanks in toilets should not be very big. A lot of water flows when we flush the washroom. Okay. So summary is save water and learn to reuse the water, and how to use by kitchen and avoid overflow of water tanks, and also checking water pipes leakage. Okay. So we have question section. First question, the leakage of water pipes should be dash. Second question, we should avoid the overflow of water dash. Third question, food should be cooked in dash pans. Fourth question, water used in kitchen can be dash. Fifth question, write some steps to save water. Okay. So write down all these questions in your classwork, find out the answer in video and practice it children. Okay. Thank you.